What's up, guys? This is a 2010 Toyota Matrix, also known as a Corolla Matrix. I just installed some aftermarket headlight assemblies on it because the original ones were all cloudy, like they always get after like 8 to 10 years. So if you've installed something like this, some aftermarkets that you got on eBay or Amazon, something like that, and you want to adjust the headlight beam, very easy to do. Just get you a like a medium Phillips head screwdriver, and this screw right there. You can also use, it looks like an 8mm socket as well, but a screwdriver, just put it in there. Now watch what happens to the left beam. If I tighten the beam, it lowers it down. If I loosen the screw, it raises it up. Very, very simple. All there is to it. And the same on the other side. Just come over here. Right there. That little screw right there. Now for the OEM assembly, it's a little different. Here's the rear of the right OEM assembly. That you see is all stupid and cloudy, and it's really worthless to try and polish it by hand because that doesn't last very long. So you can get a new set for not a ton of money. Anyway, the adjuster for the OEM one is this little guy right here. So if you're looking at above, it's just a plastic little screw. Same deal with a little bit smaller, smallish Phillips head screwdriver. Same deal. You just turn that or loosen it, and it will go up or down depending on which way you turn that little screw right there, and that's all there is to it. So yeah, check out other videos. We got other stuff about this car and tons of other stuff on our channel relating to motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, hot rods, classic cars, BMWs, Dodge Durango, Cadillac ATS-V, Hummer H3 Alpha. I mean, it's just tons of videos, over 1,500 videos on our channel that help you either fix a problem or solve a problem, or tell you how to not do the same problem that we might have encountered. So check it out. We're always adding something new. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you later, and check out these social media links in the description. See ya.